Hi, today we've got this dog's for some reason he's right here. We're gonna be racing the porch or the blue light. Hey Jackson, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Kiss.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
And no, wait. Can no. Goodbye. So we can't do that. Now we're gonna be racing today. We got the stuff here. Today we will be racing this thing against this thing. Let's go! Hey, Jacob, I need help. Okay, I'm gonna be pushing this one. You push this car. 3, 2, 1, go. Turns out this curve, right? There's the winner. That's probably because how big it is. And let's watch Jackson now. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
What?
Here goes the porch. Porch got a nice engine back there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a porch. Yeah, this is a, I don't know if y'all can see. It says porch. There says porch 911. And let's see. Let's go. Lightning McQueen.
What?
Go. That's it in the video for today. Say bye.
Bye.
Give them a kiss. And a hug. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Me.
That's gonna end the video for today. We're gonna see your baby brother and